Hello traders. Welcome back to our channel, The Forex Trends. Through this channel, we teach you how to trade consistently, profitably. All right, let's start the analysis of gold for next week. Uh, I will also look some possible trade setups for the next week. Before starting the analysis, I would like to tell you one thing. As I always says that this program is not a signal service. Please do not take it as a signal service. Try to learn from this. It will be helpful to you. And this is purely educational purpose. And I also recommend to take trades on demo account for practice purpose only. Okay, then let's look the fundamental before jump into the chart. As we know, last week the US inflation data was released. Where is the last week data? This is last week data. As you can see, sorry, the US inflation data was released last week. This all the US inflation related data. According to that data, inflation in the USA is slightly cooling now, but it is still far from the target range. Therefore, the current market sentiment suggests that there might be a rate cut in September. That's why we might see some weakness in dollar in near future. But in my opinion, high interest rates will persist for a while. I guess it from the tone from Fed Chair, Mr. Jerome Powell. If we look at the news for the next week, in next week, this week, I think this week. Okay. If we look at the news for the next week, there is not much significant for US except for the FOMC minutes on Wednesday. This is the FOMC minutes, FOMC meeting minutes. It might give us some volatility on market, might not. So except this, there is no any significant news for this week. So next week, gold might trade within a range, and we could see some retracement as well. All right, let's look the chart, and I will try to find the levels for next week. This is the weekly chart of gold. There is nothing more important in weekly except this volume. One volume. This is a ultra high volume. This volume. This volume. This volume. This volumes are ultra high volume. And look the candle of this volume. It is a selling pressure. Clearly, sellers are entered at this price. This price was 2430 around, and There was also ultra high volume in this candle, and it is also a selling volume as market moving upwards by creating bullish candles and entered sellers. There is nothing more in weekly candle. Let me check on day candle, day structure. In day structure, it is clearly bullish. And mind one thing, the level of 2430 is an all-time high, and as we saw in weekly frame, the sellers are entered in this price in previous few weeks back. For that reason, it is not very easy to break out this resistance level by the gold. If we find the price at 2430 level, we will initiate sell after getting some confirmation. And keep one thing in your mind that it may go up for 50 to 60 pips above this level for grabbing the liquidity. After that, it definitely come back and retrace below this price also. Okay, let me shift in 4 hour frame. As I discussed on my previous video, in 4 hour frame, gold is clearly bullish, and it gives us few good setups in previous weeks. If you want to check out the outcome of the previous weeks, you may review our previous videos. Let me show you the market structure in 4 hour frame. This is the clear bullish structure in 4 hour frame. Up to this level, market may go. Okay. Okay. You clearly see how nicely worked the structure. When market creating structure, this is a level where market need to be retest and go up. And after that, this was the level where market need to retest and go up. And now this is the level where market need to retest and go up. In market structure, structure will say everything. If you have ability to read the structure, you can very easily understand where smart money are interested in the market. Okay, let's find the best setups for next week. For next week, as in 4 hour frame, it is a level. The first level is this, and the price is 23972 to 2394.6. If we find the price at this level 23972 to 2394.5, we'll initiate a buy. Why this zone will response for buy? Let me show you in 1 hour frame. In 1 hour frame, you can clearly see there is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap, and this is the resistance become support level. If market leaves some fair value gap, there is a possibility to come this level and go up again. That's why I'm very confident with this level. If I find the price at this level, I will initiate a buy. First TP will be here and then here. And my SL will be 30 pips at the level 93, 2393. This is the first setup for Monday to or Tuesday and onwards in next week. Okay. And the second setup is if we find the price at this level, that means 2430 to 2433, then we'll initiate a sell up to this level and then up to it is the last support in 4-hour frame for gold. If gold break this support, we may see some selling on gold. Trading towards the direction is good for us. Trading against the direction is very risky and it is very harmful to our psychology also. That's why I try to initiate buy if you find at your setups. Okay, let me raise the drawing. Okay. Then there is 2 or 3 setups for gold for next week. If we find price at here, we'll initiate a sell with the SL of 20 or 30 pips. If we find the price at this level, we'll initiate a buy for the SL of 20 or to 30 pips. If we find the price here, definitely we'll initiate a buy for the SL of 20 and 30 pips. Okay. For selling at this level, you must have wait for any evidence at this level. You must have to wait at this level for evidence. Whenever I am asking about evidence, there is a so many evidence like candlestick pattern, like price action, like structural pattern. Let me teach you the structural pattern. Depend on if market approaching this level at that time, I will shift my time frame to 1 minute or 5 minutes. If I find, if I found, if I found at this level, market shift the structure. How the structure shift? Let me show you one thing. If market continue creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high, it is a bullish structure. When it break the last higher low, it shift the structure and then retest the this level or upper level and it come back down. After shift the structure, there is a 3 level to open your position. The first level is this. This is called support become resistance. And after that, the second level is this. This is called Quasimodo level. That means QML level. And this is a double top level. If we find the, after shifting the market, if we find the price retest our this level or this level or this level, we initiate sell. This is the structural confirmation when market approach our level, and it is very safe for taking trades. Okay, this all that's all the setups for gold for next week. And all right, that wraps up our analysis of gold. And definitely, I will see you on our next video, hopefully on Monday, for intraday trading purpose. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, then subscribe and press bell icon for getting regular market analysis. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Enjoy your weekends. Bye bye. See you.